publicly. Our institution has a great leader like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who is known as the father of the Indian Constitution. The Constitution gives us fundamental rights and also teaches us duty and responsible citizens. On this day, we remember the sacrifices of our freedom fighters who fought bravely for our independence. Because of their hard work and sacrifices, we are living in a democratic nation today. Republic